Hey guys, this is just a quick highlight product overview of two products that I found that work really well together. That being the Bestop soft doors for a Jeep Wrangler and the CMM Offroad 8-inch breakaway side mirrors. So one of the fun things with a Jeep Wrangler in the summertime is running with the doors off. When you do that, you lose the side mirrors, and a lot of people will take buy an aftermarket mirror that can attach here to the door hinge. But I didn't want to do that because I'm using the Bestop soft doors. So if I have inclement weather, I want to put a door in that spot, and I don't want to have to take off a mirror. In the back, I tend to put these half doors on even when I have the front doors out, because I like to have a place I could throw a backpack in here and not worry about it coming out of the Jeep if I go around a corner too hard. So what I did was I got these CMM Offroad. These are 8-inch breakaway mirrors. So they're breakaway so they can bend in like that. And these happen to work really well with the Bestop soft doors. So the CMM side mirrors are held in by this bracket, which replaces the cover plate on the Wrangler JLU grab handles here. So the side mirror just goes right in to that mount, and then you tighten it down with the supplied knurled nut. One of the standard features of the CMM Offroad side mirrors is that you can break them inward and then shut a door. Now, since the Bestop soft doors has a zipper window, you can actually use the zipper window and have the mirror poke out on the outside of the door, so you still retain your mirror when you're using the soft door. Once inside, all you have to do is zipper the zippers right up against the mirror post, and you have a closed window with a mirror on the outside. One of the common complaints about the Bestop full soft doors is that at highway speeds, the wind loading can make the doors kind of flap in and out. What I found with the CMM mirrors is it's right up against that plastic on the window there, so it actually holds the door in, and at highway speeds, I don't get the flapping. Now, when it comes time to exit the vehicle, you do have to remember to zip your window open before you open your door, or obviously it's not going to open. I've found when leaving the vehicle, the easiest thing to do is just zip up the window, push the mirror in, shut the door, and then lock it. So I really don't do Jeep product reviews. This is probably going to be my first and only, unless I find something else that's really worth sharing. But I thought that this was a really interesting interaction between two separate products that kind of complement each other. So hope you enjoyed, and I usually post aviation related stuff, so if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. Have a great day.